Range of PerfectDry dishwashers. Every device can be networked and benefits from the numerous Home Connect functions. We have completely redefined the space available. The new PerfectDry dishwasher offers a real third loading level. Therefore, it offers 25% more loading surface. The additional basket gives you the flexibility to place smaller kitchen items such as whisks or light plastic cups and prevent them from flipping over during the washing cycle. A movable level on the right side of the basket means you can still load large items like wine glasses in the basket underneath. My personal highlight is the brand new Extra Clean Zone, which is an exclusive USP for Bosch. A real innovation for stubborn dirt. 3 rotating nozzles allow 3 times more water to reach the dishes that need extra thorough soaking and cleaning. So there is no need to pre-soak dessert cups or muesli doughs. But Bosch offers more than perfectly clean. As plastic dishes are particularly difficult to dry, Bosch has developed the PerfectDry technology. The natural mineral zeolite binds moisture and releases heat as it does so. This makes for a gentle, energy-saving and especially efficient drying process. That's what I call dish drying like a Bosch.